Hello, I'm Samkit Bhantia from EduShaw School, and today I will be taking you through the Eco Foundation course. This is a very special course for the second year students to get an insight into the world of MA Economics entrance preparation. This course basically builds up the foundation like a building. We build up a foundation for you. And once we do that, we are able to quickly go into the third year Eco Topper course without any hiccups. You will be able to solve ISI DSC problems at ease once you do the Eco Foundation course. As I said, giving these entrance examinations is like swimming, is like driving. You can't read a book in order to learn how to swim or to drive. You need to actually sit behind the wheel of a car and jump in the water in order to learn how to swim. Exactly my point. Theory that you learn in your college will not help you in cracking these entrance examinations. You need to know how to apply the theory into practical past paper problems so that you know what is the synchronization between the two. Once you know that, with the help of the Eco Foundation course, you will be able to solve all the problems of ISI, DSC, JNU, IJIDR, and all other entrance examinations with ease. It has been seen historically when we started off the Eco Foundation course approximately 4 years back, that the conversion into the top institutes of the country is more than 50% for the students going through the Eco Foundation and then going into the Eco Topper course. Okay, the transition has been phenomenal. In the Eco Foundation course, what do you get access to? The Eco Foundation course gives you access to not only 2 live classes every week, one being from the math side, the other being from the economics side. You can actually see the maths topics and the syllabus here. You can see the economics topics that we will be covering here. Okay, this is also available on the course schedule on our website. Along with the live classes, you also get access to a student portal. The student portal is a very, very special place for a student. It is made solely for the purpose of you taking a look at the recorded lectures or the videos. Okay, each and every class of ours is recorded, and the recording is available on the student portal here. All the notes and the PDF is also available, as you can see. This will be the Bible in your preparation. This will be the core foundation of the Eco Foundation course. Okay. To know more about the Eco Foundation course, come at our orientation program. The details are here below. Fill up the inquiry form in order to get the link of the orientation. See you at the orientation. We will be doing a lot more. I will be giving you an insight on the course, on the syllabus, on the topics, on the portal, and answer many of your questions in the orientation program. See you there. Bye-bye.